Okay, so let's continue with our next SQL question from the lead code. So this is question number 184, which is department highest salary. And this is the medium category question, right? So let's read the question. We have one table, employee table. We have the ID, name, salary, and department. So employee ID, employee name, employee salary, and employee department ID is given. And we have the another table department where we have the just the name of the department ID and the department name, right? And we need to write a solution to find employee who have the highest salary in each of the department, and you can return the result in any order, which is fine. So as an example, so you have one employee table, right? So what you need to return, you need to find the employees, okay, who have the highest salary. Okay, so generally how you find the highest salary, like uh, max of salary, right? Either you can do that, or the same way which we have performed earlier operation, we can assign some ranking, and whatever the highest one, we can do that, right? But this is more or less similar to that kind of problem which we have recently solved. But in this, we need to return the highest salary in each department. Like earlier, we solved the question. Okay, find the second highest salary, nth highest salary. All right. So second highest ns and nth highest is simply we can assign some ranking, and where rank is one, rank is two, rank is three, we can return that. But in each of the department, right? So department one has three column, three row, one, two, three, right? So this is 7,000, this is 9,000, this is 9,000. So what is the highest? Highest is the 9,000, and for the highest one we have the two rows, 9,000 and 9,000. So they are returning both rows, 9,000 and 9,000. Then for the department 2, from the department 2, which is the highest, 8,000. So they are returning 8,000. So they return the employee name. So employee name is Jim, Max, and Harry. Along with the this table has the department ID. So and later on they just join this table with the so that they can get the name of the department. So this is fine. If even like once we achieve some kind of solution using this table, populating the name is simple thing, right? We can just do the join, right? So let's see how we are going to. So you can see the schema by clicking on the SQL schema from here, right? I just copy paste all this thing and run it locally and inserted the data. So select star from employee. So we have this employee, right? We have the department, and here let's see the department as well. So this is the department, but department we can ignore for the time being, right? Because if you able to find uh, like the highest salary in each department, which we can find from this table itself. We don't even need the department table. Department table we need because in the output we need to print the department name rather than the department ID. So you can ignore this table for the time department, but this one. So how you are going to solve this problem? Right, in each department, how you are going to tell what is the highest one? Uh, Generally, to find the highest one, what we will do, we will assign some rank, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we normally assign rank, it will give, okay, 1 is 9,000, 2 is 8,000, 3 is 7,000, 4 is 6,000, right? So we need to assign a rank, which is okay, but we need to assign a rank per department. So how you are going to do that? So select star. Star means like as of now, I am just adding one more column ranking, right? I need all the columns. Or you can manually type ID, name, salary, department ID. Okay. Now we are use the dense rank because I don't want to skip the uh like the rank, dense rank, right? Over, because with the dense rank window function we need the over. So for generally what we do, order by salary and descending order as, let's say, ranking from employee, right? So let me hide this. Let's run that. So we get that. But if we normally use our normal way, dense rank, what we did, 9,001 rank, 9,001 rank, 8,002 rank, 7,003 rank, 6,004 rank. But we need by each department. So what we will do, we will partition by department ID. And if you run that, now if you see for each department, so this is one department, right? For each department, they have assigned some rank. 9,000 is one rank, 7,000 is two rank. Then the next department start. For the next department, they have assigned one rank, they have assigned two rank, right? Because 8,000 is the highest, so they assign one, and 6,000 is the second highest, so assign two. Now our problem is very, very much easy. So we use the same thing because in the earlier like video as well, we use dense rank, order by everything. But this is little bit just a modify because we each department we will just do partition by department, right? Partition is within a table create different tables, right? Now what you need to do, we will just do okay where ranking is equal to one. Once we do ranking is equal to one, it will return me this row and this row, and this is only what I want, right? Not two 9,000 and one is 8,000, right? So I will create a city. So with uh, CTES, we already see how to create a city in previous video, like using with clause, and you can give any name like employee ranking, something like that. So I give normally city. And now if you do select star from city where ranking equal to one, let's run that. Now I need that Jim Max Harry. The same thing I need Jim Max Harry and 9,000, 9,000, 8,000. I need department ID ranking. The only thing left is currently we are like populating this like things, right? But we need department name, employee and salary. So we don't need ID, right? So what I can do is I don't need ID. I just need name, select name, and name should be as employee. So name as employee. I need salary. I need department ID. All right, let's run that. So employee, salary, department ID, right? We need. But instead of the department ID, I need the department name. So what I can do is I can simply join uh, with the department table on the ID column, because if you need to join two tables, there should be some common table, right? Common column. So I will create another city, CTE1 as, all right. But when you create two cities, so this is because you don't need to write again with, because with is one. So this is first city, right? And the another city is started, so put the comma here. So another city is started, right? Now, if you do select star from city one, it will be the same output, right? Because we just simply create a city. Okay. Now you need employee. What you need? Uh, you need you need employee. You need salary, and you need name, because name is in the department table. From from is already there. From city one, join department on city city one dot uh, city one dot department ID equal to department dot ID, because this is the ID column. So we are joining on a ID column from department table and department ID from the city one table. All right, and if you run that, what's wrong? Syntax error near the department ID. City one. Something's wrong. Let me copy this. Department ID. Let me run that. Yeah, maybe some column name is wrong. Okay, so we have like did that. So now if you see the output is our current output is name, salary, employee. So we have the employee salary, but instead of the name we have the department. So we will just give an as alias. So name as department, and if you run that, right, and department is the first one, employee is the second, salary is the third. If you want to arrange, you can arrange that, but I'm not sure whether this will be accepted or not. Let me give a try. Like, is this order matters or not? Otherwise, we will like shift it. Yeah, like orders really doesn't matter. But anyhow, like if you want to print it first, you can print it. Then employee, then salary. Right? Let's try to submit. So our all the test cases, all the 14 test cases has been work fine. All right. So you see, when we learn just a single thing, window function, dense rank, we are able to solve a lot of medium category questions. All right. And because like if you are going to write this 3 4 lines of SQL statement, then might be very difficult for you. So what we did is we starting like divided our problem. Uh, right, because when the employee is given, how we are going to find uh, the highest salary, right? Okay, dense rank, but by department, so partition by department, right? So once the ranking is given, okay, now I need only rank one, so we will put another statement. Once that is given, I need the name from the another like a table. So okay, let's do the join, and then eventually we able to solve the problem. All right. So hope it is like clear. So that's all. That's the end of the video, and thank you.